What's going on, guys? So from the title of this video, I'm obviously doing side marker stuff again, but what I'm doing is I'm just changing out the bulbs because the bulbs that are in there are like really dim and like kind of like an off orange. I'll show you guys like a thing of it in a second, but they're really ugly, so I'm finally gonna get around to changing that. So right now, yeah, I'll show you guys what the lights look like currently. Yeah, they're orange, kind of weird looking, and they're ugly. So I'm gonna go change them out today, but first of all, first stop is to get the car cleaned because my car is disgusting with all of this salt and I hate it. So I'll see you guys at the car wash. This light is ridiculously long. Like, I've been sitting here for like 10 minutes already and it's still red. Like, you can see on the other side, like my car's just trying to pile up. Please don't hate me for this because I'm not a person that ever does this, but I'm doing an automatic car wash because it is too damn cold out here and I do not want to get out of my car to power wash it right now. So I'm at Sheets, which is another bad one, going through an automatic car wash, so just please don't hate me too much. One thing I always hate about the winter is that it's not even 4:30 yet and it's getting dark already, and it kind of sucks. I don't know what color bulb I should get. Should I be cool and fancy and like match my red interior light and see if I can find like a red side marker, but the tint might look a little weird? Or should I just go white? I guess I'm just gonna figure out what they have, because they might not even have anything at all. So all we have is an AutoZone around here. If we had a Pep Boys, they probably have like all the colors, but I don't think I have one of those around here. I don't really feel looking for one either. It's about time. I feel like this is the most uneventful car wash I've ever been in. It's like just shooting barely like specks of like soap on there. But I need to get some of this salt off my car because this salt is disgusting. I hate it on there. Now it's time to go to AutoZone to see if I can find my light bulbs. Oh, I love that sound. And we made it to Auto Parts. I thought it'd be funny. So for technical specs on the bulb that I'm getting, for anyone else that wants to use their BRZ, this light bulb size of 168, and to my knowledge, it doesn't matter if it's an LED or like a halogen style bulb. I'm pretty sure all of them will work without resistors or anything. Don't quote me on that, I guess I'm gonna find out. So I'm gonna go in there and try to find a red one. If I can't find a red one, I wanna get a white one. I don't really want to get an orange one because the whole reason I got rid of the original side markers in the first place because I didn't like the orange. And that's why I want to change these bulbs out. So I'll keep you guys updated on what I find. Again, it's not even 5 o'clock and it's already like dark, so I have to turn my light on, which isn't bright. I'm gonna have to update that eventually. So I got these ones. Let's flip it over this way so it's easier to look at. They're Sylvania ones, 168R, R's for red. So I found the red ones that I wanted. If I were you guys, I would order these online because I guarantee you can find these bulbs for like half the price, because I got these for $21, which is a little bit ridiculous for like how small these light bulbs are and how little they do. But I needed to get content out. So right now it's like pretty dark outside, if you guys can see. Actually it's kind of brighter on camera, but it's getting pretty dark. I'm gonna go run inside, get a jacket because it is fucking freezing out here. Grab a screwdriver and I'll show you guys how to do the side markers. If you guys remember, they're really easy. You just have to twist like a quarter turn and they just pop right out. And since mine are like aftermarket with the really shitty clips, I probably don't have to do the quarter turn thing, it just kind of flick out, but just to be able to say so, I'm gonna go get my screwdriver anyways. So I'm just gonna give like a quick tool rundown of all that you need for this install. So I did install side markers on my car already. I'm just upgrading the light bulbs in them right now because they look like shit and I want them to look better. So you can watch my previous video on how to actually change them out. But one thing I was saying before is you need a small tool. So what I have right here is just a Phillips head right here, and it's on like a little like socket adapter. You don't need a big tool. It's not a lot of force. You just stick it in there and just barely twist and it pops out. And that's the only tool it's needed. Then you just kind of pull it out of the fender. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and I'll try to show you as much as I can, but it's gonna be a little tough to do that. When you try filming and everyone starts walking by, and I don't like filming in front of people because I'm awkward. I found another one. Chilling behind my car. It's cold. You're sitting on a metal railing. I don't know what you're doing, bro. Oh, that doesn't look less cool on camera. That looks really cool in person. So I'm just gonna quickly do that to the other side, and then I'm gonna take a few pictures. In person, actually, it's really fucking cool. Like, I'm really happy how that looks, actually, so I'll be right back. I think it's funny, every time I come to the parking garage, I always try to get my car to backfire, because, you know, it'd be loud and cool. But for some reason, every time I leave the parking garage, I backfire, but every time I'm in the parking garage, I can't backfire. These are fucking dope. We were trying to do a cool edit and you realize that one's not on for some reason. Let me try that again. I'm using just a regular point and shoot camera, and I guess, I don't know, I'm having a lot of trouble getting really like good low light pictures, so I need to work on that, or maybe just get a better camera, I don't know. Nothing like a good sound clip. That's pretty much all I got. It was a small install, but I need to try to, you know, get more content involving installs. Just it's cold right now, money's tight. I got a lot of plans coming, so keep watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're not, because I'll get more stuff going. Don't you worry. You guys should let me know in the comments of what kind of content you guys want to see. I'm really new to this whole YouTube thing. I only have like 20 followers. By the time I upload this, I might have more. Probably not. I don't have any of those. But I just want to know what you guys want to see in my like videos. Do you want more of a vlog style? Do you want me to try to do more installs? Do you want me to do more of those like, what are they called? B-reel clip things? I don't know what they're called. Just let me know what you guys want, and I'll try to like make my stuff better. I want to get better quality content going. Just, you know, school gets in the way of things. I have one more week left until I graduate, so then hopefully money will be a lot more free because I have a lot better job at home already. So I can actually get installs done. Just let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see. Please comment down below anything, any ideas for videos, anything. I read them. I mean, I don't have many comments overall, so it's not hard to read them. But I'll take anything into consideration, really, because I want to get this YouTube thing I want to try to get to go a little bit farther than it is now, which it's nothing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun shit, even though some of you guys don't, but some of you guys are starting to, and I appreciate that a lot. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.